Allie, Corey, thanks for joining us. He was barely old enough to drive when Sauders-Rigueur allegedly gunned down another teenager. But investigators say his crime spree wasn't over. Prosecutors say while in jail, the teenager tried to hire a hitman to kill a witness in the case.
And now, 2 years later, a jury is hearing all about it. Fox 13's Gloria Gomez has the latest on his trial.
Sauders-Rigueur was just 17 years old when he was charged with the murder of 16-year-old Alex Alicia during a botched armed robbery nearly 2 years ago. Prosecutors say in October of 2021, Jaden lured Alicia and his two buddies to the Lakeshore apartment complex in Brandon for a drug buy. However, prosecutors say Jaden had no plans to buy anything.
He decides to take that marijuana from Alex, and he decides to take it by force. He reaches inside the window and grabs those baggies of weed. Now,
that led to a tussle between the two. That's when prosecutors say Jaden pistol whipped Alicia.
Shoots Alex in the face. Shoots him right next to the bridge of his nose. Single shot.
Killing him. Alicia's two friends were able to get away and call for help. A cell phone left at the crime scene, they say, was linked through DNA to Jaden. But the defense pointed out the evidence that wasn't there. They argue their client's DNA wasn't found on the victim's car or bags of drugs. There's also no murder weapon.
Law enforcement will not be able to present you a gun or any fingerprints or DNA of the gun at the scene.
However, Jaden's legal problems got worse while sitting in jail. Prosecutors say a jailhouse snitch came forward and said Jaden wanted to hire him to kill a key witness in the case. They say Jaden also confessed to the whole thing.
And then, in fact, Jadon told him what had happened, that he had set up a robbery, but that the guy tried to get the stuff back and chased him, so he shot him.
Now that jailhouse snitch is expected to tell the jury all about it. Gloria Gomez, Fox 13 News.